Just an hour's drive from the heart of Sapporo, a serene retreat awaits in Jozankei, cradled within stunning canyons. It's a paradise for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts, boasting natural hot springs, or onsens. Conveniently positioned, Jozankei is a gateway to renowned ski resorts like Niseko and Rusutsu, each less than 90 minutes away. The nearest treasure, Sapporo Kokusai Ski Resort, is a mere 25-minute journey from Jozankei. Perched on the slopes of Mount Asaridake, standing tall at 1,280 meters, Kokusai offers a 3.6-kilometer-long course with a breathtaking 470-meter elevation drop. Notably, it's among the first resorts to welcome winter snows each year. Despite its deep mountain setting, Kokusai surprisingly lies within the limits of the metropolitan city of Sapporo. Next on our adventure is Mount Tene, soaring 1,023 meters high. Here, the view makes you feel like you are skiing right to the ocean. Tene is where Hokkaido's residents first embraced skiing. This historic mountain, host of the 1972 Winter Olympics alpine skiing events, boasts a maximum run of 6 kilometers. Welcoming newcomers and seasoned skiers alike, Mount Tene offers diverse courses catering to all skill levels. Post-exhilaration on the slopes, we return to Jozankei, where unique Japanese après-ski experiences await. With over 20 lodgings, each featuring its own onsen, the culinary journey varies from authentic Japanese fare to international buffets, ensuring a delightful dining experience. Each stay promises a blend of comfort and unique local flair. For those willing to venture a bit further, the world-class Rusutsu Resort beckons. Just within a day's trip from Jozankei, Rusutsu is a dream destination, with its gondolas and chairlifts totaling 18 and spanning 3 majestic peaks and offering exhilarating side country and backcountry skiing. The resort is famed for its abundant powder snow, averaging 13 to 14 meters annually. Jozankei in Sapporo is a haven of accessibility, leading to various ski resorts and offering a quintessentially Japanese stay. With both adventure and relaxation, Jozankei is a must-add to your travel wishlist as a base town for skiing adventures.